Hey guys, so we're on day 2 of the ice storm that happens typically in February in Austin. And yeah, as you can see from our video, everyone is pretty much snowed in. So yeah, they've already canceled school for Thursday. So the roads are bad. But of course, I drove my girl over here. I didn't want to drive my car because she would not make it at all. Went to the parents' house to pick up Jackson because we're gonna go to Lowe's. And we're gonna get supplies to build a desk since we don't have school tomorrow.
We're gonna build what?
We're gonna build a desk for the office.
Can I get supplies to build something that I want to build?
What would you like to build?
I want to build like a house, like a 2-story house.
A 2-story house? Where are you gonna put this 2-story house?
My room. It's gonna be like a model home that I'm gonna buy for a woman.
Oh gosh. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're home and we actually secured the last generator from Lowe's. So yeah, and I actually got a deal because Lowe's has military discounts, and since my parents are veterans, I saved $76. So with the warranty and the purchase of the generator, I spent $757. So I think that's good. In the event of an emergency, we are covered.